of the patients also ask me, so what happens if I need, let's say, surgery for appendicitis, post-bariatric surgery? And I always tell them, you are as normal as me, as any other individual. You need a surgery for appendicitis, go to a good laparoscopic surgeon and he'll fix it for you. You can even come to my institute. We've got a team of good specialized bariatric laparoscopic surgeons who will fix it for you. So your tummy is almost as normal as any other person's tummy. You need a gallbladder surgery, you need a cesarean, you need an appendectomy or any other intestinal surgery. You can very well undergo all these procedures. You need to see a physician for your common cold, cough, fever, urinary infection. Please go and meet them. All the details of the surgery, the post-surgery procedures and do's and don'ts are given in the Bible, as I always say, right? It's all given in there. Go through it. Please tell the physician, please tell your primary care physician that you've undergone a bariatric surgery, the type of bariatric surgery that you've undergone. You must know whether we've done a sleeve on you, a bypass on you, a banded sleeve or a banded bypass, an MGP or a duodenal switch on you. So you should know the procedure well, and you should know the advantages, disadvantages of that. So you should be very well aware of the procedure done on you, and you could behave like a normal individual post that. So these are a few things that you should be taking care of. Now, a few more things that people do ask me is that what about the excess skin, right? And they always say, you know what, after the surgery you'll see the skin is going to get loose. Of course it's going to get loose. But in all the patients, I don't know. I really don't know. We have a different ethnic background. We have a different genetic background. We are of different age groups. We have fat depositions in various different types of our bodies, right? So which patient is actually going to need a cosmetic or a reconstructive procedure post-bariatric, I really don't know. A large majority of our patients would actually don't need it. Yes, younger girls, more than 150, 160 kgs, undergoing bariatric surgery, they really want to look good, they really want to get under cosmesis. There are n number of cosmetic surgeries available, from your facelift, to your body lift, to your abdominoplasty, to your thigh, to your brachioplasty and so forth. So it's not that that is not available, but when a patient comes back to me and says, you know, I need something to tighten up my tummy or my thighs or my triceps, it's always comes out that, you know, congratulations, because you actually achieved the weight loss that you were looking for. Now is the time you achieved your health, and what you want now is only cosmetic. You want to look beautiful because you've achieved that great part of your life. You got your life back and you want to look beautiful too. Absolutely good. Go ahead and get your reconstructive surgery. That is going to put another small little star on your crown. So it is doable. Everyone needs it? No. Some people will need it, and if you need it, go ahead and get it done. Feel good about yourself. Feel confident, feel healthy.